Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Understanding BERT in Natural Language Processing with TensorFlow, a Python tutorial. Introduction. Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers, BERT, has revolutionized natural language processing, NLP, by capturing contextual information in text. In this tutorial, we will delve into the basics of BERT and implement it using TensorFlow, a popular deep learning framework. Prerequisites. Installation. Ensure you have TensorFlow installed. You can install it using Understanding BERT. BERT is a pre-trained transformer model designed for various NLP tasks such as text classification, named entity recognition, and question answering. It considers both left and right context words, enabling it to capture rich contextual information. Setting up TensorFlow environment. Ensure you have the Transformers library installed. Loading pre-trained BERT model and tokenizer. Replace BERT base uncast with other available pre-trained models based on your requirements. Tokenizing text. Feeding tokens to BERT model. Understanding BERT output. The output is a tuple containing various information such as last_hidden_states, pooler_output, etc. For most tasks, last_hidden_states is used. Fine-tuning BERT for specific task. To fine-tune BERT for a specific NLP task, you can add additional layers and train the model on a task-specific dataset. Example, text classification with BERT. Conclusion. BERT has become a cornerstone in NLP, providing state-of-the-art performance on a range of tasks. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of using BERT with TensorFlow for tokenization and understanding its output. You can further fine-tune BERT for specific NLP tasks, like text classification, by adding task-specific layers and training on task-specific datasets. Explore and experiment to harness the power of BERT in your NLP projects. ChatGPT.